Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equations. So now I will show you how to answer. So this one divided by sy and this one divided by sy, they should be like this. So y squared divided by y, so you got y in here. S divided by s, we got number 1. So in this situation, we have y over s plus the square root of s squared plus y squared over y. Next, we see that this is about y divided by s. You got degree number 1. This one under the square root, so we have number 2. Under the square root, we have number 1. So degree number 1 divided by degree number 1. You got degree number 1. So in this situation, that is about homogeneous. So I will put about y equals to vs. Later that, we do first derivative for the both sides. First derivative of v, we have dv over ds multiplied by s. First derivative of s, we have number 1, so we have v. This is about the product rule of derivative. Now I will put this one gone here, here, and here. This one we change by this one. So s divided by s, we have number 1, so we have v. This one we have v squared s squared. So s squared and s squared, we can do about factorization. The square root of s squared, we have s. Next, we simplify s on numerator and denominator. Next, we simplify v for the both sides. Next, we put this one go to the left, ds and s go to the right. Next, we put the integration for the both sides. Now, I will concentrate on this one. So, we can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to this one. So we put the square for the both sides to cancel about the square root. Next, we do first derivative for the both sides. This one we have 2u. This one, that is about the constant, so you got 0. This one we have 2v dv. Later that, we divide both sides by number 2. So this one we change by u. v dv we change by u du. This one we have number 1, and the interaction of the u, we have u. About u, that is about this one. Now we go back in here. So the interaction of this one, that is about this one. This one, we have ln of the absolute value of s, and I will put about c. About v, that is about this one. So we divide both sides by s. And now we need to change v into y over s. Next, we have the conditions. So I will put negative number 4 go to the right. That means when s equals to the square root of number 2, y equals to number 4. And now we put number 4 going here. The square root of number 2 going here and here. So we can find the value of c. So this one we have number 3. This one we can put into number 2 to the power of 1 over 2. So we have the formula in here. ln a to the power of b equals to b ln a. So a dash is about number 2, b dash is about 1 over 2. Now we need to transform this one into this one. And now we have the final answer. Now we put this one going here. Here is the final in here. This is the end. Thank you for watching.